Welcome to this episode of Get Dressed with Me. On this episode, the band color camo shirt from Orslow, the Japanese brand, and this is an awesome shirt I found at my neighborhood shop, Millworks. Now, again, I am loving jeans and t-shirts. If stuff that I'm buying is not going with the jeans and t-shirts, then I don't want it. So here it is, styled with a cropped t-shirt from Brandy Melville and some ankle cropped, high waisted jeans from the redone Levi's remake jeans, and some Balenciaga triple S giant sneakers, and some cute sunglasses from Fendi. I love this camo shirt. I think it's great for layering over a crop top like this when maybe you don't want your juice to hang out on the sides. I also love it without a t-shirt underneath and tied in a knot at the waist. It's super cute with jeans, like more classic, and then I also love the camo shirt, a little more girly, which I'll show you variations of that as we go. Again, this time my lingerie is also from Rihanna's brand Savage, and I love it. So here it is with the Realization Par daisy print silky biased skirt that I love because it's like super 90s, and these are Stance snowboarding camo wool socks and my Fry engineer boots. Love it kind of tied up like this. It's kind of like a semi-grungy look. And an Elder Statesman cashmere Echo and the Bunnyman large beanie. Love this just for kind of like a grungy, sexy, but slightly girly vibe. And the camo shirt is made from the Japanese brand Orslow, and I just love it because it's super nice cotton, really well made, and I don't know, men's sizing like this is really comfortable. I'm wearing a Japanese size 2. Now here it is layered over a little cashmere jumper from Elder Statesman, cashmere sweater. And then I have these cashmere sweatpants that I'm in love with from H&M right now that I got. This is just like a chill walking the dog look. And that also had some Margot ballet slippers. Now here are the Orslow green pants that I love, the army pants. It's like a slim fit army pant. I got them a little oversized, but I love like a full army green moment. I had someone make a request for monochromatic looks on my Instagram, so this is definitely a cool way to rock monochromatic, of mixing just the camo with an army green, and then their army green and brown Rick Owens wedge boots. I love this camo too because it's not the obvious classic camo. It's more of an interesting, smaller, like almost watercolor or like splatter paint style camo, which I think was really cool. And the shirt is 100% cotton. Now here it is with some high-waisted redone velvet stretch jeans that I recently got at Barney's, and I'm going to be wearing a lot this holiday, and my Marc Jacobs patent leather platform amber boots. I love these guys. These boots, I wear them to death. And a Ralph Lauren purple label women's black velvet riding jacket. Now this is how, if I want to rock a camo shirt a little more fancy, this is how I'm going to do it, with a little Chanel bag and an Elder Statesman pashmina scarf and a Stetson Tom Mix black hat. To me, this is like very cool 70s Saint Laurent vibes. Okay, see you guys later. Bye.